Perur Patishwara temple dedicated to Lord Shiva located at Perur in western part of Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. The temple was built by Karikala Chola in 2nd century. The temple is located west of the Noyal River and has been patronized by poets like Arunagirinadhar and Kachyapa Munivar. Lord Shiva, known as Patishwarar, is the presiding deity of this temple together with his consort Parvati, who is known as Pachai Nayaki. The deity is believed to be Swayambhu Lingam. The pillars raised in this temple depict the architectural prowess of Tamil sculptors. Over the period of time, this temple is known by different names such as Kamadhenupuri, Adipuri, Daksha Kailasam, Tavasiddhapuram, Jnanapuram, Kalyanapuram, Pashupatipuram, Western Chidambaram. This ancient temple was built by King Karikala Chola in 2nd century, thus making this one of the oldest temples in the state. During the rule of Rajaraja Chola, Arthamahal and Mahamahal were constructed. In addition to this, there were regular donations from the Chola king which were documented on the temple walls. History reveals that the great poet Sundarar sung the devotional Tevaram song in this temple by the 7th century. Nonetheless, strangely, Perur Patishwara temple does not make it to the list of Kongu Nadu Padalpetra Sthalams, which otherwise has 7 of the 276 temples. From the 14th to 17th centuries, the kings from different dynasties like Hosala dynasty, Vijayanagara Empire, Nayakar kings have contributed immense donations for the maintenance of this temple. The famous Kanaga Sabai was built around the 17th century by Azhagathiri Nayagar of Madurai. By the 18th century AD, the primary deities were renovated and also a mahal for the 63 Nayanmas were raised. This temple has several gopurams and halls, famous of which is Kanagasabha, the one with the golden statue of Nataraja. The pillars have carvings of the various manifestations of Shiva and the ceiling has a series of stone chains. There is a Pati Vinayagar shrine dedicated to Ganesha. The Arasa Ambalavanar shrine dedicated to Shiva at the spot where Shiva is believed to have performed his tandav under a peepal tree. There are also statues of Gajasamhara, Veerabhadra, Bhikshadana, Urdhava Tandava, Saraswati with Veena. The sacred trees associated with temple are the palm and tamarind trees called Iravapanai and Piravapuli. Every year the temple celebrates a classical dance week, typically Bharatnatyam. The most prominent and talented dance schools of the city and even some from other cities take turns to awe the audience with their performance. The temple is believed to be one of the places where Shiva is believed to have performed Ananda Tandavam. Every year in the month of Painguni Uttiram is celebrated. As a part of the event, grandly made temple car is taken around the nearby streets and celebrated grandly. Om Namah Shivaya.